Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are planning a trip to Slovakia or simply curious about the Slovak language, today's video is for you. We're going to cover 10 essential Slovak phrases that every traveler should know. These phrases will help you navigate your trip smoothly, interact with locals and feel more comfortable during your stay. Let's dive in! Hello, goodbye. Ahoj. Ahoj is an informal way to say hello and also goodbye among friends. It's akin to saying hi in English. S Bohom. S Bohom is a more formal way to say goodbye, suitable for more serious or formal situations. Example sentences. Ahoj, ako sa máš? Ahoj, ako sa máš? Hello, how are you? S Bohom, teším sa na vás. S Bohom, teším sa na vás. Goodbye, I look forward to seeing you. Use ahoj in casual settings with people you're familiar with. For more formal or serious farewells, s Bohom is appropriate. These are your go-to greetings and farewells, perfect for starting or ending conversations. Excuse me, please. Prepáčte. Prepáčte is used to get someone's attention politely or to apologize. It translates to excuse me or sorry. Prosím. Prosím means please and can also be used to soften requests or questions. Example sentences. Prepáčte, kde je toaleta? Prepáčte, kde je toaleta? Excuse me, where is the restroom? Prosím, pomôžte mi. Prosím, pomôžte mi. Please help me. Use prepáčte when you need to apologize or get someone's attention. Prosím is crucial for making polite requests. These phrases are essential for polite interactions and getting assistance when needed. Can you speak English? Hovoríte po anglicky? Hovoríte po anglicky means do you speak English? It's useful if you find yourself in a situation where you need to switch to English. This phrase is very useful in tourist areas or when interacting with people who might understand English. Knowing this phrase can help you communicate more efficiently if Slovak is not spoken. I would like. Rád by som. Rád by som. Rád by som is used by males and rada by som is used by females. It means I would like and is used to place an order or make a request. Example sentences. Rád by som si dal vodu, prosím. Rád by som si dal vodu, prosím. I would like to have water, please. Rada by som si dala kávu. Rada by som si dala kávu. I would like to have coffee. Use this phrase when ordering food or drinks at a restaurant or cafe. Adding please, prosím, makes the request more polite. This phrase will make ordering much smoother and more polite. How much does this cost? Koľko to stojí? Koľko to stojí means how much does this cost? It's a very handy phrase when you're shopping or dining. Example sentence. Koľko stojí tento lístok? Koľko stojí tento lístok? How much does this ticket cost? This phrase will help you inquire about prices in shops, restaurants, or markets. Always use it when you need to know the cost of something. Being able to ask about prices will help you manage your budget while traveling. Where is? Kde je? Kde je means where is. This phrase will help you find specific locations. Example sentences. Kde je najbližší hotel? Kde je najbližší hotel? Where is the nearest hotel? Kde je autobusová zastávka? Kde je autobusová zastávka? Where is the bus stop? Use this phrase when you need directions or are looking for a particular place. Perfect for navigating route and finding key locations. I don't understand. Nerozumiem. Nerozumiem means I don't understand. It's useful when you're having trouble following a conversation. Example sentence. Nerozumiem. Môžete hovoriť pomalšie? Nerozumiem. Môžete hovoriť pomalšie? I don't understand. Can you speak slower? This phrase helps when you need someone to clarify or speak more slowly. It's essential to have this phrase in case you need help understanding something. I need a doctor. Potrebujem lekára. Potrebujem lekára means I need a doctor. This phrase is crucial in health emergencies. Example sentence. Potrebujem lekára. Kde je najbližšia nemocnica? Potrebujem lekára. Kde je najbližšia nemocnica? I need a doctor. Where is the nearest hospital? This phrase ensures you get medical assistance when needed. Keep this phrase handy in case of health emergency. Thank you. Ďakujem. Ďakujem means thank you. It's a polite way to show appreciation. Example sentence. Ďakujem za pomoc. Ďakujem za pomoc. Thank you for your help. Use this phrase to express gratitude in any situation. Saying ďakujem will help you show appreciation and politeness. Sorry. Je mi ľúto. Je mi ľúto. Je mi ľúto means I'm sorry. It's used to apologize sincerely. Example sentence. Je mi ľúto, že som meškal. Je mi ľúto, že som meškal. I'm sorry that I was late. Use this to express regret or apologize for any inconvenience. It's always good to know how to apologize properly. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found these phrases helpful and that they make your trip to Slovakia even more enjoyable. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And remember, if you have any video ideas or specific topics you want me to cover, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!